Welcome everyone to today's program, where we will explore the process of modern livestock care in the United States. From commercial farms to the high-quality pork products we consume daily, the industry plays a vital role. The pig farming industry in the U.S. makes a significant contribution to the national economy. It also meets both domestic and international consumer demands for safe and nutritious pork. Providing safe, nutritious, and high-quality food is the primary goal of these modern facilities. Commercial pig farms are primarily located in the Midwestern states of the United States. These states include Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, Illinois, and South Dakota. Known for agriculture, these areas are chosen for their favorable natural conditions for livestock farming and food production. The piglets are carefully raised until they are ready to transition to the next stage. At these facilities, the care and production process begins right from the early stages. Sows are carefully nurtured and monitored to ensure successful pregnancies and healthy litters. This careful monitoring lays the foundation for the sustainable growth of the entire herd. All of these steps are carried out with dedicated care to provide high-quality products. Clean water and balanced nutrition are essential for their rapid and healthy development. The farrowing pens are prepared and sanitized before the pregnant sows arrive. Sows are mature female pigs, while gilts are young females that haven't reproduced to ensure strong development. Both sows and gilts undergo artificial insemination. This modern method is widely used across the pig farming industry. Today, artificial insemination allows for precise breeding, timelines, and genetic selection. It minimizes the risk of injury to both the animals and the handlers. The semen is introduced slowly to ensure maximum absorption and success. This technique requires specialized training and a high level of hygiene. The process is designed to be as stress-free as possible. For the sow, high-quality semen is sourced from elite boars to improve herd genetics. This method helps produce healthier piglets with better growth rates. Once completed, the sow is left to rest quietly in her pen. Advanced care techniques are used to ensure high health and success rates. Farms utilize resources from healthy, carefully selected livestock managed at specialized facilities. These facilities, called boar studs, maintain strict biosecurity and health standards. The semen is carefully processed, packaged, and shipped to commercial farms. Animal care experts use advanced tools to confirm pregnancy and monitor health. The ultrasound screen displays the developing piglets inside the womb. Here she will give birth to her piglets in a safe, controlled environment. The care process for the young animals begins the very moment they are born. Staff ensure the piglets are dried quickly to prevent them from chilling. They are placed in a warm creep area to help them dry and rest. Within minutes, the piglets instinctively search for the sow's teat. As soon as they are born, they begin nursing to receive colostrum. Colostrum, the first milk, is a crucial source of nutrients and antibodies. The staff works diligently to assist the sow during the birthing process.
Trong quá trình sinh nở,
The warm environment helps the piglets maintain their body temperature. This early care is vital for their long-term health and growth. The farrowing crate protects the piglets from being accidentally crushed by the sow. After about 21 days, the piglets are weaned from the sow. They are then moved to a nursery barn within the production system. At this stage, they are transitioned to nutritious dry feed. This special diet is highly digestible and rich in essential nutrients. The feed is formulated to support their rapid growth and immune system. They also monitor and adjust the ventilation and heating systems. Maintaining a stable environment is key to preventing respiratory issues. Automated feeding systems ensure a constant supply of fresh feed. Sanitation is a top priority to keep the piglets healthy, and safe pens are thoroughly washed and disinfected between groups of pigs. This strict cleaning protocol helps eliminate pathogens and bacteria. Pigs are also washed regularly to keep them clean and cool. This helps reduce heat stress during warm summer months. When piglets reach 50 to 60 pounds, they move to finishing pens. In these areas, they have plenty of space to grow comfortably. This growth stage is an important phase of the care cycle. Pigs are fed a balanced diet of corn, soybean meal, and vitamins. They spend about 16 to 20 weeks in the finishing barn. This stage ensures they reach the optimal weight for pork production. Healthcare is a crucial factor in the pig farming process. Just like humans, pigs can get sick and need timely treatment. Veterinarians work closely with farm staff to monitor herd health. This helps prevent the spread of illness to healthy animals. Treatment plans are developed in consultation. With veterinarians, medicines, including antibiotics, are used responsibly when necessary. All treatments are carefully recorded to ensure food safety standards. The goal is to return the animal to full health quickly. This minimizes the risk of introducing diseases from outside sources. Hence, regular cleaning and disinfection of equipment are mandatory. These protocols protect both the animals and the food supply. Waste management systems are designed to protect the environment. When pigs reach the standard weight of around 280 pounds, they are ready. They are prepared for transport to processing facilities. The transport process is managed carefully to minimize stress. Pigs are loaded in small groups to prevent crowding and injury. The trucks are ventilated to keep the animals comfortable during transit. Upon arrival at the processing facility, pigs are unloaded. They are placed in resting pens with access to water. This resting period helps them recover from the journey. It also ensures the quality of the meat is maintained. The facilities follow strict animal welfare guidelines during this stage. This process is an important part of the food supply chain. Processing companies are committed to high standards of operation. The animals are handled humanely as they move to processing. The process is designed to be highly efficient and humane. At every step after slaughter, the carcasses are moved to the butchering area. The carcasses are suspended from overhead rails for efficient handling. Each carcass is inspected to ensure it meets quality standards. The facility maintains a cold temperature to preserve freshness. Inspectors carefully examine the products to ensure the highest standards of food safety. They check for any signs of disease or contamination. The carcasses are split and cooled rapidly in a chiller. Rapid cooling helps maintain the quality and safety of the meat. The butchering process is carried out by skilled workers. They break down the carcass into primal cuts, like loin and shoulder. The meat is trimmed and prepared according to customer specifications. The cuts are then sorted and sent to the packaging area. Modern packaging systems seal the meat to ensure freshness. Vacuum sealing extends the shelf life and prevents contamination. The packaged products are boxed and labeled for distribution. Each box is labeled with tracking information for traceability. The products are stored in cold storage until shipment. They are shipped to retailers and customers nationwide and globally. The connectivity in the food supply chain is a crucial factor. It ensures that every pork product meets high safety standards. From the farm to the consumers, table quality is maintained. This model of supply chain ensures efficiency and sustainability. It enhances the effectiveness of the entire production system. This allows the food supply chain to function smoothly, delivering high-quality pork products to consumers everywhere. While ensuring long-term development for the livestock industry. It represents an exemplary model of modern food production operating efficiently, sustainably, and safely to meet global needs. The investment in technology and modern farming methods is key. It enables high standards in production and animal welfare, ensuring a safe and reliable food supply for the future. Thank you all for watching today's program on pig farming.